Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Windows app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click here on this sign down here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go here above settings, you click on it. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down, you come here to English map labels here, click in this sign. So like you see this color show for us, that's mean English map labels enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great, that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.